UPS is a global logistics leader, offering discounted rates, advanced tracking, and seamless integration with tools like ReachShip for efficient shipping. How to integrate UPS with WooCommerce using ReachShip. To integrate UPS with ReachShip, log into UPS, request API access, and get your credentials. For detailed steps, refer to this guide, link is in description. After obtaining your UPS user credentials and secret, visit ReachShip and navigate to the shipping section. Then select UPS. Fill in your username, client ID, client secret, and account number. Validate the information and save the settings to complete the process. Next, go to the API section and click to get your client ID and client secret. To generate new credentials, click Create Credentials. Copy the client ID and client secret, then go to the ReachShip plugin and add your credentials by clicking Add Credentials. Your credentials will now be saved and integrated. After saving your credentials, click on Carrier and Service to review all your settings and available services. If you want to customize your rate settings, click on Rate Settings. Other settings will also be available for you to adjust. Next, go to the cart page to view all the available UPS rates. Place an order, then navigate to the Shipment and Printing option within the plugin. Here, you will see the available orders. Click Create Shipment. Once the shipment is created, you can download the label by clicking the Download button. You will then see the downloaded label. To download the invoice, click on the Download button to get the invoice. Then you can see the invoice. Additionally, you can track the shipment from this section. To get connected with ReachShip or for any support, feel free to reach out to the ReachShip support team. For more detailed information, check the link in the description below.